Hey everyone! So I'm not sure if you've noticed, but we had a great new feature launch last week, and that is the ability to add a virtual open house or a video open house tour. If you're in your listings and you go to My Listings or to the Open House tab to schedule your open houses, you now have the opportunity to not only schedule a live open house, but you can also go ahead and schedule an open house that is either in person, a recorded video, or a live stream. If you choose a recorded video, when you put in the start date and the end date, that video will be available during that time. To add the video, simply enter the video link. This link can be from YouTube, Vimeo, Jetpack, wherever you have online storage. Once the consumer registers, they will get access to the video link. If you would like to go ahead and add a live stream video, you would go ahead and put in the date, the start and the end time, and then you'd add the link to the event. Maybe it's on Facebook Live, Zoom, Google Hangouts, or GoToMeeting. Then when people go to your event, they will get the event link after they register. Simply click Finish. Then you'll be able to see your additional open houses here underneath the listing. To access the sign-in page, just go to the Actions tab and then go to the sign-in page. If it is a pre-recorded or a live stream event, the open house page will adjust and show either the pre-recorded open house or a live stream event. These are great landing pages for you to use to promote open houses that you are doing virtually. If you have any questions, pop them in the comment box and we're happy to answer.